Hey Brandon, Tom Coupe here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Figured I'd put a quick video together for you on the GT53 that we drove yesterday. So this is in graphite gray MAGNO paint. Beautiful paint job we got here. This also has the extended night package, so the night and then the extended night. What that means is a lot of the elements that would have normally been chrome or silver are actually blacked out. So right up front, on the front bumper and front splitter, you'll see all that gloss black accenting. That's part of the night package. And then as we come around, you'll start seeing some of the extended night package, which would be the fender badging, all blacked out in either gloss black or almost like a black chrome feature. We have the black 21-inch forged AMG cross-spoke wheels. Coming down the rear, or the side here, I'll pop open the door. Flows through on a black interior. So we've got the black open grain wood flowing through the entire dashboard and center console. We've got heated and ventilated seats. This has the warmth and comfort package, so the armrests are heated on both the doors and the center console. And these are active multi-contour seats with massage function, so you do have massaging seats. You got heated steering wheel as well, a full digital dash inside there, AMG drive unit down on the bottom of the steering wheel, those little LCD screens there, and we've got the center console by AMG with all the screens and adjustments right there in the center. So we got black with black suede inserts on the seats, both sides as well as the rear, which I will show you now. Got the bench seat in the rear, so it does have seating for three out back here. And as you noticed yesterday, you do have spots for car seats. So more extended night package. We've got the black chrome AMG logo, the Mercedes logo, and the GT53 logo, all in that black chrome. We've got huge trunk back here for a sports sedan, and those seats do fold down if you do need it, and just a ton of space back here. Got the Burmester sound flows through all the way back to the trunk, and all automatic liftgate. Even the AMG Performance exhaust tips are in black chrome with more black accenting there on the rear bumper. Come around to the passenger side, take another look at this beautiful 2023 AMG GT53. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, Tom Coupe here at Mercedes-Benz Scarborough, 207-510-2286.